In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your CPanel username and password on Namecheap, step by step. This is a super useful guide if you've forgotten your login details, need to access your hosting dashboard, or just want to make sure you know where to find everything quickly. The good news is, Namecheap makes this process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your usual email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are listed in one place. Click on hosting list and you'll see the hosting package connected to your website. Next, find the hosting plan you want to access and click Go to CPanel. This will open the CPanel area for that hosting account. On the CPanel page, look over to the right side. You should see the current user displayed there, and that current user is your CPanel username. So if you've been looking for your username, that's exactly where you'll find it. Now if you need to reset or change your password, that part is just as simple. Click Profile. From there, open Password and Security. In this section, you'll see the option to change your password. Click it, follow the prompts, and set a new secure password for your account or hosting access. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember or store safely in a password manager. Once you save the changes, your password will be updated. And that's it, now you know how to find your CPanel username on Namecheap and how to reset your password if needed. This is a quick process, but it can save you a lot of time when you're trying to manage your website or get back into your hosting dashboard. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.